Deep within the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra lives a creature of immense power and intelligence. The orangutan, with its long arms and flowing red hair, is a sight to behold. They are the largest arboreal mammals, spending most of their lives high up in the forest canopy. Their name, orangutan, comes from the Malay language and means person of the forest. And indeed, these remarkable creatures share many similarities with us, both in their intelligence and their complex social interactions. Their world is a realm of towering trees, vibrant with life. The air is alive with the sounds of insects and birds, and the forest floor teems with a rich tapestry of plants. It is in this emerald embrace that the orangutans have thrived for millennia, their lives intricately woven into the fabric of the rainforest. Their story is one of adaptation, resilience, and the delicate balance between survival and the ever-present threat of extinction. Orangutans are easily recognizable with their long reddish-brown hair and impressive size. Males can grow to be twice as large as females, reaching heights of up to 5 feet and weighing over 200 pounds. Their long arms, which can span up to 7 feet, are perfectly adapted for life in the trees. These powerful limbs allow them to swing effortlessly from branch to branch, navigating the forest canopy with remarkable agility. Their hands, with their opposable thumbs and long fingers, are remarkably similar to our own. This dexterity allows them to manipulate tools, gather food, and care for their young with great precision. Their faces, though often serious in expression, are capable of a wide range of emotions from curiosity and playfulness to fear and anger. Behind their intelligent eyes lies a complex mind, capable of problem-solving, learning, and even empathy. Unlike their close relatives, the chimpanzees and gorillas, orangutans are largely solitary creatures. They spend the majority of their lives high up in the trees, foraging for food and seeking out mates. Females will establish territories that overlap with those of other females, and they will often come into contact with one another while foraging. Males, on the other hand, are fiercely territorial and will aggressively defend their home ranges from rivals. The only time orangutans come together for extended periods is during mating season, or when a mother is raising her young. The bond between a mother and her offspring is particularly strong and can last for several years. During this time, the mother will teach her young everything they need to know about survival in the rainforest, from finding food to building nests. Orangutans are highly intelligent creatures, and their problem-solving abilities are truly remarkable. They have been observed using tools in the wild for a variety of tasks, such as extracting insects from tree bark, scooping water from hard-to-reach places, and even using leaves as umbrellas to protect themselves from the rain. Their diet consists mainly of fruit, but they will also consume leaves, bark, insects, and even the occasional small animal. Their knowledge of the rainforest is encyclopedic, and they know exactly where to find the best fruit trees, even when they are not in season. This intimate understanding of their environment is essential to their survival, allowing them to thrive in a constantly changing ecosystem. The forest architects. Orangutans play a vital role in the health and regeneration of the rainforest. As they move through the canopy, they disperse seeds over vast distances, helping to ensure the survival of countless plant species. Their nests, which they build each night from branches and leaves, also contribute to the ecosystem. These discarded nests provide shelter for other animals and help to recycle nutrients back into the forest floor. Their presence in the rainforest is a sign of a healthy and thriving ecosystem. They are an indicator species, meaning that their well-being is directly linked to the health of the forest as a whole. When orangutans are threatened, it is a sign that the entire ecosystem is in danger. The shadow of extinction. Sadly, these magnificent creatures are facing an unprecedented crisis. Habitat loss driven by deforestation for palm oil plantations, logging, and mining is the greatest threat to their survival. As their forest homes are destroyed at an alarming rate, orangutans are being pushed to the brink of extinction. The illegal pet trade is another major threat, with baby orangutans being captured and sold as exotic pets. This cruel trade often involves killing the mother, further decimating wild populations. Hunting for bushmeat and traditional medicine also takes a toll on orangutan numbers. The situation is dire, and urgent action is needed to save these incredible animals from disappearing forever. Guardians of the orangutans. Thankfully, there are people fighting tirelessly to protect orangutans and their shrinking habitat. Conservation organizations are working on multiple fronts to address the threats they face, from establishing protected areas to combating the illegal wildlife trade. Rehabilitation centers play a crucial role in rescuing and caring for orphaned and injured orangutans, with the goal of eventually releasing them back into the wild. Community-based conservation programs are also essential, working with local communities to promote sustainable livelihoods and reduce their reliance on activities that harm orangutans and their habitat. Education and awareness campaigns are crucial in raising awareness about the plight of orangutans and inspiring people to take action to protect them. A shared responsibility. The fate of the orangutan rests not only on the shoulders of conservationists, but also on the choices we make in our daily lives. By supporting sustainable palm oil and timber products, we can help reduce the demand for deforestation that is destroying their habitat. Choosing to adopt, not shop, when it comes to pets can help combat the illegal wildlife trade. Raising awareness about the plight of orangutans among our friends and family can also make a difference. Every action, no matter how small, can contribute to their survival. We must remember that we are all interconnected, and the loss of one species, especially one as intelligent and important as the orangutan, diminishes us all. A future for the red apes. The future of the orangutan hangs in the balance, but there is still hope. By working together, we can create a future where these magnificent creatures can continue to thrive in the wild. Imagine a world where the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra are once again teeming with life, where the calls of orangutans echo through the trees for generations to come. This is the future we must strive for, a future where humans and orangutans can coexist in harmony, our destinies intertwined in the rich tapestry of life on Earth. Let us not fail them. Let us be the generation that turns the tide and ensures the survival of these magnificent red apes. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, Canadian and Global Wildlife. See you next time.